Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change Google Documents language. While most of us usually only read and write documents in one language, there may be occasions in which you need to translate a document or write something in a foreign language. While this can be a lengthy and painstaking process in certain word processing programs, the process is relatively simple in Google Docs. Here's how to translate documents from one language to another, or change your typing language in Google Docs. Click on File at the top left corner of the window. Go to Language. Choose the language that you need from the list. Click on File at the top left corner of the window. Go to Language and click on the one that you need. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!